assess the role of British imperial power in complicating the process of transfer of power during the 1940s. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The 1940s were a critical time in the Indian nationalist movement, with the demand for independence from British rule reaching its peak. However, British imperial power significantly complicated the transfer of power, leading to a turbulent transition to independence. Body. Several ways in which British imperial power complicated the transfer of power during the 1940s include divide and rule policy. This strategy intensified communal tensions, especially between Hindus and Muslims, making it challenging to achieve a united and peaceful transfer of power. Cripps Mission. The Cripps Mission failed as both the Indian National Congress and the All India Muslim League rejected the proposal, which deepened mistrust between British and Indian political leaders. Wavell Plan and the Simla Conference. The Wavell Plan faltered during the Simla Conference due to disagreements over parity and representation, resulting in further delays in transferring power. Cabinet Mission Plan. The mission suggested a federal structure with a weak central government, giving significant autonomy to provinces. However, it failed to gain consensus, leading to communal violence. Mountbatten Plan and Partition. In 1947, Lord Mountbatten proposed partitioning India into two dominions, India and Pakistan. This hurried and poorly executed partition resulted in widespread violence, displacement, and loss of life, with lasting effects on the subcontinent's political and social landscape. Conclusion. The British imperial power's role in complicating the transfer of power during the 1940s was substantial. The divide and rule policy, failed negotiations, and eventual partition of India not only caused a turbulent transition to independence but also left a lasting impact, shaping the history of both India and Pakistan.